Yes, that all of you joined the class also. Yes or no? Yes, that all of you completed your task. One task I gave you, I assigned to you. What Richkin? Unmute. That is what you completed. Only one medicine, Arhat. Oh no, two, three more medicines. Okay, fine. Okay, so today I will start with exercise. Next exercise. Okay, that is exercise. Uh, the properties. As I told you that I will start with the properties. Okay. So all of you open page 62 and 63. All of you open page 62 and 63. Okay. So properties I will start. First, before some properties. Properties means what? Properties means when we will repetitively doing the same sum, we will see that there is some common thing. Okay. So here we can see like that. Suppose I am just calculating 2 into 3. So it will come as 6. And you, someone of you, is just going to calculate 3 into 2. That is also come as 6. That means 2 I can write at first. I can also write at second. Where I am writing in the first position or in the second position, that doesn't matter, right? So this is actually one properties of multiplication. I hope that everyone has just opened your book, commutative, associative, multiplicative, every properties. So here you can see that 5 into 6 equal to 30 and 6 into 5 equal to 30. That means whatever we can write at first or second, the arrangement doesn't matter. So from here what we can conclude? We can conclude that 5 into 6 equal to 6 into 5. Okay. So 5 into 6 is equal to 6 into 5. Both are equal because the here you can see the answers are coming as equal. Now after reading these properties only, we can just solve few sums. Come to exercise I. Exercise I, all of you just solve it in the book. Exercise I, all of you please solve it in the book because the sums are very small. Some it's like MCQ. Okay, please solve it in your book. Now, question number A. A is 5 into 4 equal to 4 into 5. B is because 5 into 6, if it is 6 into 5, I can write like that. 18 into 30 equal to 30 into 18, we can write like that. 12 into 5 equal to 5 into 12. 22 into 4 into 25. All these are properties of commutative properties we have used, and this name of this property is commutative property. Okay. Next here, I am just starting with the next property. Please just write up to that. property I will start. Associative property, what they are saying, the product of three numbers remains same if the orders of the numbers is three. Now here comes to the example directly. 3 into 4 into 5, the answer is coming at 60. 3 into 4 into 5, here the first bracket is given over 4 and 5. But the answer is coming at 60. Or we can write like that 3 into 4 into 5. Here also the answer will come as 60. That means where we are just going to write, we are just going to put in brackets or not. That is not mattering. That is not mattered over here. What matters, the answers are coming as same, right? So what we can write? So here we can write like that. Write like that. 3 into 4 into 5 equals to 3 into 4 into 5. Here the bracket is first bracket is first in the first case. In between 3 and 4, on the second case, it is in between 4 and 5, right? So here we can write like that 5 into 7 into 3 equal to 5 into 7 into 3. Here we can also write like that 6 into 2, and here we can write like that 3. Also here 17. All these are, all the blue parts are associative properties we are using. And here we can write like that 90. Okay, please complete it and raise your hand. Please complete it. After that, only I will erase it. Please, Sharanya.
Ma'am, I have completed. Can I show you?
I am right now just my screen has shared, so I can't see your copy right now. Okay. So going to the next property. Next property, here you can see that multiplicative property of 1. Now here how much big number is I'm giving it to you. Suppose I'm giving 1 to 9. If we are just multiplying it with 1, the answer will coming as the same. And we are just feeling very good while we are just multiplying any number with 1. Next is 1, suppose 1, 3, 6. If we are multiplying it 1 with 1, it is also coming as the same. Or it is 536 whatever the number is there, okay, that is coming back in the case of when we are just multiplying it by 1, right? So this is a very nice property. So any number, how much big is it is, that doesn't matter. If we are multiplying it by 1, the answer will always come as 1. Okay. So next is multiplicative property of 0. This is another nice property because I told you 0 is a special number in maths. It will show a different and unique property in the mathematics. Okay. So when 0 is multiplied by any number, the product is always 0. If I am just uh, taking out a product of a 10-digit number with 0, the answer will come as only 0, nothing else. Okay. So here you can see the example, the properties example is the properties examples are given, and we will go to the next page to just solve the sums of from this property. Here next the sum is distributive property of multiplication over distributive property of multiplications over additions. Okay. Now over addition, that means here you can see that what is written over here is 8 into 6 plus 7. So in the first time we can write like 8 into 6 plus 8 into 7. Now 48 plus 56 and additions, our answers are coming up at very fast. So this property is known as distributive property. Here nothing you don't need to copy. Okay, so I please mark the book. Okay, I am just clearing the screen. Next page I am going, and next page, on the next page we will solve few sums. For each of your sum, I am just wait, give me a minute. I am just doing it. Yes. Okay, so we will just use the property. I will tell that where I have used what kind of properties or what. You need to just memorize it because properties are very much important, right? So here we will write first. This is the associative property only they have used. The answer is 16. Here 5 into 1 only gives the answer as 5. This is the multiplicative property one of 1. If we are multiplying some number by 0, the answer will come as 0. If we are multiplying some number by 1, the answer is coming by 8. 0. And here this is 3. Here you can see both the number is having 3. This is the distributive property they have used. They have given you the second step. We have to derive the first step. Okay, 6 into 10, and here 15 into 36, 14 into 41, and here 19 into 25 plus 18. This is your answer. Please complete it. After that, we will be going to the exercise, next exercise. Yes, Shahornish, you want to say me anything?
Ma'am, I can't understand the associative property.
This property you have not answered. Okay. Sharona?
Ma'am, please explain me.
Okay, wait. Sharona, you want
No, my hand is
you? I can't hear. Rashmita?
ম্যাম এই চ্যাপ্টারের আপনি যেটা লেখাচ্ছেন
Talk in
ওইটার
English. Please talk in English. Try to talk. Otherwise, I will not listen or entertain any kind of problems.
Ma'am, you this page writing
Yes. Don't understand.
63,
Hmm.
63 page, I, F, H and then I have not completed.
You need to be fast here. All of you, you need to be very, very fast. Okay. Otherwise, I can't. It is. I can't complete the syllabus in the class. You just do one thing. After this class only, I will put the video in the YouTube. That video you will rewind, pause it over there, and just watch it. Okay. So Hornish didn't understand the my associative property. Associative property means here you can see. I here just wait for a while. Just wait for a while. Here you can see that one example is given 3 into 4 into 5. Again, that same sum is written 3/4 times. Okay. Now here you can see that here first bracket is putting over 3 and 4. Now in the second case, the first bracket is putting over 4 and 5. That means, and but the answers are coming as same. That means wherever we can put our first bracket, that doesn't matter. Our answer should be same. Okay, this is the associative property. It means I can say like that 2 into 3. I am in this case putting the first bracket in outside of 2 and 3. Here I am writing 4. So here I can just write like that 24. The answer is coming like that. And here in this case I am just writing like that. Here also the answer will coming as 24. Here I have done 6, then we have multiplied with 4, the answer then came 24. Here the intermediate step was 2 into 12, then it is coming as 24, right? So the intermediate step multiplication doesn't depend on intermediate step. Am I clear right now? I guess that everyone right now understood. This is the associative property, and distributive property means we are writing it by breaking. Okay. So I hope that now everyone understood. Who just missed the sums? This is not possible. So I'm just again I'm showing. I'm trying to show the answer. Just wait for a while. Please complete it within that. I'm just stopping the share. Just wait for a while. I am just showing you the answer. I'm just sharing the screen for for someone of your friends said me that first page answer they have not written. This is the picture taken from 3 weeks class. Okay, so please complete it exercise. Please complete it. I hope right now everyone has completed this. Yeah. And the next page, anyone wait, Rahul. I hope right now everyone can see the answers. Please complete it very fast. If completed this page, please raise your hand. If completed this page, please raise your hand. Okay, so almost seven only raised your hand. Rest of the students please complete and raise your hand. Then only we will go to the next exercise. Next exercise, yes. Okay, I hope that everyone completed. Aratrika, where you have gone? Aratrika, Aratrika set a wallpaper and left. Oh, Aratrika came again. I think went to washroom or somewhere. Okay, no problem. So next year we will start with next exercise. Okay, next exercise means here the multiplication by two digits. Now the one multiplication exercise J, this thing you need to do it in your copy. Okay, otherwise you can't solve it because here mark space is not there. So please in the copy put student CW and please put students there and try to solve it. 21 to 30. So like this type of sum, what we need to do, we first just with 3 means with 3 we first multiply. We first multiply and we first multiply whom? Multiply 1 and after that, okay, So how much the answers are coming? Answers are coming 60. Next, in that place below of 3, we will put 1, 0. Now here what we will do? Now here we will just look. Our task is with 1 we will multiply, and again 21 from the ones place we will multiply. Now what will be the answer? Here it will be the answer as 21. So 3, 7, this will be the answer. So if you understand this from B to H, you try to complete it in the class, and rest of the two sum, this sum will be your homework. Complete it very fast. Complete it.